Thank you for visiting the New Annuity Florida website, where you get the free report about the 10 things the insurance don't want you to know.
Hello. What are the different type of annuities?
First, you have your max income annuity, where you surrender most of your asset. Second, you have fixed annuities that work like a CD. The advantage is that your money grows tax deferred.
What other types are available?
The variable annuities, a good hedge against inflation with the guarantees of income for life, are popular.
How does that work?
Your money is invested in a diversified portfolio and you get a guaranteed growth of usually 5% for income benefit and sometime death benefit.
That sounds a little complex.
Yes, that's why you should click on Get a Quote to get more free information.
Okay, I'm going to fill the quick form and get the free information. Thank you.